My eyesight is getting worse. Edit that out. Good Walk Wednesday. I think this is how the username is pronounced, Gina Almaden. You suggested today is Walk Wednesday. So we're going to call it Walk Wednesday. Hey, okay, so a few days ago we made Martin Yan's Mandarin Chow Mein recipe from 1990. It was delicious. The sauce was delicious. It wasn't thick, it was a little strong, but the flavor was there. So today, we're ditching the pork, we're bringing in some frozen shrimp, we're changing up the noodles. We use ramen noodles. We're going to be using these because I think they're bigger and they'll lend themselves better to stirring it around in a wok. Wednesday! I think, I'm not sure. And today, we're going to be making double the original recipe's amount of sauce, and we're going to be adding a little water and a little cornstarch, and maybe we can get it not quite as strong and maybe a little glazy and saucy. And it's only 9 a.m. We're going to make the sauce in advance. Let's do it, man. If you want the original recipe, you can check the description in the video above. We're going to do double the original amount. Oh my God. Ants! Come on! Ants have gone carnivore. They are no longer eating that sweet taro liquid bait crap. I'm just saying. And I can't get rid of them. And they love my cat food. Alright, we're going 1/4 cup. I think the original was 2 tablespoons. We're going 4 tablespoons of soy. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. Hey! It's too early. It's only 9 o'clock. 1. I hope I get this right. 2. 3 tablespoons of ketchup. 1. 3. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1. 2. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Smells so good. It's really nice color and really tasty, but it is too strong by itself. You can always add, but you can't take away, so we're going to go tablespoon. Let's try 2 tablespoons of water. And we'll taste it. Maybe we don't need a full, there's still not that much sauce. But I think we're only making like 1 serving. So let's give it a try. Nice color. Oh, it's still too strong. Okay. Let's try 3. You know, it won't be as strong once it's in the noodles. Oh, wow. All right, I'm going 1 more. It would have been 1/4 cup. 4 tablespoons. I'm not putting any more in. So figure 1/4 cup of water. We're leaving it at this. Gonna take a little out for the cornstarch that we'll pre-mix. Okay. Every drop cornstarch. We're gonna go about 1 tablespoon. Might be good to use a whisk. Okay. Just almost to boiling, and then we'll turn it down. We're going to add this in now. If we have to add a little water, we will. But this should give us plenty of sauce. At medium on the stove, it's going to turn darker and thicker. Like right now, that's a beautiful thickness, but it's probably going to get thicker than that. Boy, this is a beautiful thickness right here. It will continue to thicken up. I'm just going to add a touch of water, and this is nice. This is a nice thickness. I don't even want to try it, but let's try it. Ooh! It's still strong, but on food it might be okay. It's better to have leftover sauce than not enough. That is very nice looking sauce. And we'll let it to cool. Let's see what we got in here. Save the flavor packets. I think these noodles are bigger than the small ramens. We're going to use it anyway. We went 10 just in case. Needs water. There we go. I think we're done. That's pretty. Looks better than the pork. This is a big portion. Hey. I'm loading up. We're loading up. Wow. Wow. I did add a little bit more water. I don't know if it's going to be weak. So we have to try the noodles first. Here we go. That is perfect. It needed that water. Wow. So we put a quarter cup of water in, and then we gave it another splash while we were making it with the cornstarch. And then I added a little bit more water once it was all in the pan. Boy, let me just try a shrimp. That's better than pork. Oh, I think this is perfect. I think you're going to have to gauge the water you add. That's perfect. This is delicious. Wow. Oh, I'm really happy. I'm really happy, Bamboo Shoot. It's just 1/8 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Barely an inconvenience. So, did I steal that line? Let's get some more noodles. The yakisoba is 4 ounces and the ramen is 3. So totally made more noodles. All over the floor. Oh, it's perfect. Oh, I really like this. All right. Oh, man. I'm glad I bought the yakisoba this morning. Oh. Okay, we got a cup of cabbage. All over the floor, man. Hey, Martin Yan inspired shrimp chow mein. I am very happy. Mandarin shrimp chow mein, his old recipe. Wow, that's a lot of food. That 1 ounce of noodles really adds up. Thanks for joining me this Walk Wednesday. You know what I'm going to say? Well, what am I going to say? Oh, man. Thanks for watching. Nope.